We will guide you through how to make pictures to PDF in Foxit PDF editor. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop. Hover your mouse cursor over the Foxit PDF editor icon and double-click it to launch the application. After the program is ready, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window and click the File option using your left mouse button. A settings panel will appear, and from the available options, choose Create to begin creating a new PDF document. Next, look through the choices displayed on the right panel and select the From File option. A file selection window will immediately appear on your screen, allowing you to browse through the folders stored on your computer. Navigate to the location containing the picture you want to convert into a PDF document. Once you find the correct image, click it once with your left mouse button so it becomes highlighted and ready for selection. After selecting the picture, move your cursor to the Open button located in the bottom right corner of the window and click it once. Foxit PDF Editor will begin processing the selected image and converting it into a new document. When the conversion is complete, the document will automatically open, displaying your picture centered on the PDF page inside the workspace. After confirming that the image appears correctly, move your attention back to the upper left corner of the application and click the File option once again. From the available menu, select Save As so you can choose where the new PDF file will be stored. Browse to your preferred location, such as the desktop folder, and select it as the destination. A Save As confirmation window will remain on the screen with your chosen location already selected. Finally, move your cursor to the Save button at the bottom of the window and click it once. You will immediately notice the visual difference.